So, hello everyone, and welcome to the Royal Aviation Academy. So, this is where we have our office, our simulator room, and at the same time, our classroom and our admin office. So, let's go. So here is our office. We are located along North National Highway, Bunyao, Dumaguete City, Philippines. Welcome to Royal Aviation Academy, your gateway to a career in aviation. As soon as you enter our academy, you will be greeted by our friendly admin staff, the backbone of our operations. These dedicated professionals are here to make your experience seamless. They handle all the important paperwork, from processing documents to assisting with the training requirements. And whenever you have any questions or concerns, they're always ready to assist and guide you with professionalism and genuine care, ensuring you feel supported throughout your journey with us. At Royal Aviation Academy, we are focused on providing a learning environment that fosters excellence, innovation, and ethics. Our mission is not just to produce pilots, but to train well-rounded aviation professionals who can confidently handle the challenges of the global aviation marketplace. One of the key reasons so many students choose Royal is our strong international recognition. We have been officially recognized as an approved training organization in the Maldives, which means our students can obtain their Maldivian pilot license directly after completing their training, even before they are hired by a Maldivian airline. In addition to our recognition in the Philippines, we are also approved by the civil aviation authorities of Vietnam and Nepal, further solidifying our reputation as a leading aviation training institution. This international accreditation ensures that our graduates are ready to pursue opportunities in aviation, not just locally, but around the world. Let's move on to our classrooms. We believe that a great learning environment is crucial to a success, which is why our classrooms are designed for maximum focus and productivity. Equipped with the state-of-the-art aviation materials, visual aids, and training tools, they are built to provide you with an engaging and dynamic learning experience. Our instructors are among the best in the industry, highly experienced, approachable, and dedicated to your success. They are committed to not only making sure you understand technical aspects of aviation, but also to fostering a safe and fun environment for you to learn at your own pace. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced student, our instructors will tailor the training to your needs, ensuring that you progress confidently towards your aviation goals. Cap June, what are you teaching? What subject are you having? What is it about Cap?
It's about studying the pilot, okay, studying yourself as a pilot, and also at the same time, you study your aircraft, okay, your risk, okay. You study the risk before flying, or as you prepare for the flight, you study for the risk, like yourself, the aircraft, the environment, which includes the weather, the airport, you know. And the fourth thing is also you have to study the external pressures. Okay, pressures that can affect you, can affect your flight. Okay, so basically it's like that. But it's a very important subject.
So, what's your message, Cap, to all aspiring pilots out there?
Okay, now that you have started your aviation career in ground school, you have to start thinking as the pilot in command. Now you have to behave one. You have to have that mindset already. You don't have to wait for the time that you'll be a certified pilot already, like a private pilot with a private pilot license. From now on, you have to start behaving like one. You have to start practicing whatever you can learn here in ground school. So you have to start, especially in as a pilot, you have to be a leader. There's what we call pilot in command. So from now on, you have to be that person. Okay? And you start with your life, yeah, your life management. The importance of this subject is from now on, they'll have to have a mindset of safety. They have to be healthier as they go along. They have to reprogram themselves in a way that they become a stronger leader in every aspect. Because one day they will be needing that while they're already in the cockpit. So that's it. Don't wait for the time. Be ahead of the time. Just be the pilot that you want to be, and especially starting here in ground school.
Perfect. Thank you, Cap June.
Thank you.
When it's time to take a break or unwind, you can head to our student lounge where you can relax, study, or chat with fellow students. It's a cozy space for socializing, reviewing your lessons, or simply taking a breather between your classes and flight sessions. It's all about creating a comfortable environment where you feel at home.
So, Cap Albert. So, Cap Albert is one of our flight instructor. Cap, what is your profession before being an instructor?
I was a mechanical engineer before becoming an engineer.
So he is a mechanical engineer. What's your message to all aspiring pilots?
To all aspiring pilots, especially engineers, Royal will be a good training ground for you if you want to become a pilot. So you are welcome here to try our facilities and our aircraft and experience your dream of becoming a pilot.
So we have Captain Kyle Douglas. So what are you doing right now, Cap?
I'm doing sim for our pre-solo student. From all this,
So what is your message to yes, you. What's your message, Cap, to the students right now who are having a hard time during their pre-solo stage?
okay, study properly and be relaxed. Just do good. But honestly, seriously, my advice is to take flying seriously and study hard. Okay, because flying is not a joke, and you have to be very serious when flying.
At Royal Aviation Academy, we offer top-notch pilot training for those aspiring to be private pilots, commercial pilots, or flight instructors. We also provide instrument rating, multi-engine training, and much more. We are proud to hold the distinction of having the largest hangar in Dumaguete Airport, fully equipped with the latest safety gear, maintenance tools, power machinery, and all the necessary equipment to support our commitment to providing a world-class aviation training. Welcome to our simulation room, where theory comes to life, providing an immersive experience that enhances your flight training. In this room, we offer state-of-the-art flight simulation technology designed to replicate real-world flight scenarios. It allows you to practice a variety of maneuvers, emergency procedures, and challenging weather conditions, all without leaving the ground.
Captain Ace!
Hello, Kap Marsky.
Hi, Cap.
Hello, morning.
Cap, can you explain what are you doing right now briefly?
So we're just teaching our student Roja how to do basic procedures in IFR like DME hold. Also, we'll be teaching her later procedure turns. And that's the routinary lesson. It's a progression. So for now, it's the basic ones. It's only her fourth session. Then a while ago, I was able to teach her how to do standard instrument departure. And we'll get from there. Probably DME arc on the next session. And then entries.
And Cap Ace, what is the importance of the, IR?
Well, the first important thing is, aside from it being the requirement in airlines, of course, in IMC or in instrument meteorological condition, you have to be in IFR. And if you are not instrument rated, then you cannot fly in instrument conditions.
Cap Ace, what is your message to everyone who is first having a hard time with the IR procedures and principles?
Okay, so In IFR training, number one should be solid ground school foundation. So during your ground school with your instructors, you have to listen, you have to internalize, and you have to, I wouldn't really say master 100% because we still have simulation and actual flight training, because later on we'll be bringing them to actual flight training. So it's about study habits and visualization. For me personally, it helped me a lot. If you can visualize where you are at the moment in an airport, then it will make sense. That's the simplest explanation I can give. If you can position yourself and visualize, then it will be uh, easier for you.
And Cap, what is your message to all aspiring pilots out there?
Just go for it. If you are able to join flight school, go for it. Reach for your dreams. And if you're considering, might as well consider us. And we'll see you soon.
Cap, why should they fly Royal?
Because at Royal, we're not only training you, we consider you as family also. And I am not shy to say this, but there are students who send their messages to me outside work hours. That's fine. I respond to them as soon as I read it, if I'm awake also, right? And well, that's how we go. We go the extra mile. And quality training also in Royal. And we have two simulators actually for instrument training. We have G1000, Garmin 1000, which is really a big advantage. And we have the FMX as well. So progression learning for all the students before we take them to the actual instrument rating training.
Yay. Thank you, Cap A.
You're welcome, Kak Marsky.
Whether you are preparing for your first flight solo or refining your advanced skills, our simulator provides a safe and controlled environment for you to build confidence and expertise. The system is equipped with realistic controls and avionics, allowing for a truly lifelike training experience. Here, students can simulate everything from takeoffs and landings to emergency situations, all under the guidance of our expert instructors. This hands-on practice ensures that you thoroughly understand aircraft systems, flight dynamics, and operational procedures. By integrating the simulator into your training, we optimize your learning process while ensuring your safety. It is an invaluable tool to bridge a gap between classroom learning and the actual flight experience. Our instructors are always with you, offering expert feedback to help you improve your technique, boosting your readiness for a real-world life scenarios. At Royal Aviation Academy, we believe in using the best technology to provide a comprehensive, hand-on learning experience. Our simulation room is just one example of how we help you become a skilled and confident pilot. With each session, you will refine your skills and strengthen your decision-making abilities, preparing you for a success in the skies. Since our establishment in 2013, Royal Aviation Academy has trained over hundreds of pilots, many of whom have gone on to have successful careers in the aviation industry. We are proud of the lasting impact we have on the aviation community, and we continue to evolve, ensuring our facilities, team members, and resources stay ahead of the curve. Whether you are just starting your aviation journey or looking to take the next step in your career, Royal Aviation Academy is here to provide you with the skills, training, and support you need to succeed. Thank you for joining me on this quick tour. I hope you enjoyed getting a closer look at what makes Royal Aviation Academy such a unique and exciting place to learn. We look forward to helping you reach new heights in your aviation career.